Hello, Facebook friends and family. What's up, y'all? What's up, yo? What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? Finna eat me some Wingstop, y'all. I'll be right back. Yeah, I gotta go through it. Then you gotta wash. Now the sun coming back out. It was just raining. Huh? You took it off? I'll be back. My food. 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 I made like three strips. Yeah, I think I made like one. I ate two. Two strips. Two strips. That's in that big old bag. About to be eating. About to be eating up. What's up, y'all? Now the sun came back out. You finna check all of them? I thought it was just only one bag. I'm a hustler, baby. You better not know me, baby. It's called some ghost. What is his name? What was the name of these fries? I ain't seen it too long.
What you say?
What's the name of these fries?
Voodoo fries?
Huh?
Voodoo.
Voodoo.
Yeah.
Voodoo fries from Wingstop. Wingstop. I got chicken strips.
I'm gonna order some more.
Oh. Want some? You got some. You finna order what? What you drinking? Orange juice?
Yeah, my throat itching right now.
Ah.
I gotta go through these bags. These clothes on me.
You could have went.
What? You wanna help me?
Huh?
Not right now.
You want me to help you?
Like,
Most of them clothes is not wet though. I seen you. I was standing right there watching.
I might as well just wash all of them. Might as well. Look, there's new. It's a bag in there.
They said money.
Huh?
Oh, you said money in there.
It's a bag.
They got money in there.
I'm gonna just separate everything into like whites, blacks, and colors. I've got a lot of colors and blacks. You think so?
Yeah, that's how you separate them. Black, whites, light colors.
Okay. Black powder. I got a lot of black stuff.
The closest one probably on cap them. I don't know one. I don't know one around here.
Or I can just go in the basement. I'm not going down to my dad. I'm not going down there. No, sir. Where'd this go? Color.
With the whites. You put it with the whites or the lights?
What about this? Black.
Black, black on black. Yeah, gray for black. Yeah,
What about this?
lights.
Colors.
Oh yeah. Light clothes, dark clothes. Something in here.
Yeah, I know. More clothes. I had this shirt for a long time. This can go in the garbage. Garbage pile.
I think we had that when we had wore that for the Easter that one year.
Color.
All of us had the same color on.
Yeah, I had that one for a long time. I can't even fit this jacket no more. I don't even know why I got it. My arms can't even fit in this jacket. Oh, yes it can, but it's tight. Garbage. These garbage. This new. This gold.
Hmm?
What is that?
With the colors.
Color.
Or you can make a pile for red. Red color.
Garbage. Oh, this can go in garbage. What's this? Garbage. This is red garbage. Black. Where does this go?
Blue jeans, light.
What if we come in here and be like, what the hell?
You know.
All these clothes.
All them lights on the floor.
Garbage. Garbage. This is stitch garbage. I don't know that.
That's cute.
Garbage. Garbage.
What you know about love?
This is skirt. A black skirt.
These are good.
White
I
collar.
should have.
This go here.
Cheese fries.
All white.
Like those. Go like clothes. Light. Oh, that's light.
This one.
What's that?
A shirt.
Oh, that's light. Black, black. Black on black.
Next pile.
Next bag.
You got 10 clothes. And I said I gotta buy some new.
These are shoe.
I need to buy some new. I get irritated quick, and I just throw all the shit away and buy all new clothes. That's how I get irritated really fast.
It's 5 o'clock.
This can't go in the garbage. I just buy new ones. Where this go? This looks like this new. Color. Yeah, Kelly talking about I think you got my jacket.
That's Caleb.
No, it's mine. I knew it. She just got fatter talking about I think you got my jacket. Cause I got my David Buster cards in there. But this might be hers, cause this motherfucker dirty. I don't know.
Yeah, put it with the blacks.
I need to buy me some more Nike shirts too.
Yeah, I like that one.
I was looking for. Oh, this is good. I don't even wear that either.
That's cute.
I ain't wear this either.
That wasn't in the pile that got wet.
This is a skirt that you put it on, and you wrap these around you like this with a t-shirt.
Mm.
Yeah. Let's go with that skirt. I don't need to wash this. That's not my stuff. I can't even fit these no more. These be all over my cooch.
What you know about love? Are these chicken strips? It's good. The bottom. They're cute.
I'm probably turn these into some shorts or something.
Yeah, I was like, them the pants you just had on? I thought it was it.
It's a part of my swimsuit.
That's cute.
These my khaki pants. I still got them.
Hey, y'all.
Where these go?
What you know about love? That's cute. What? And colors.
Right.
White.
I don't really got a lot of white clothes. I'm noticing.
Them, what's them, pansies?
Yeah.
Them cute. You ain't never wore them before.
No, I guess not.
Little jogging pants. A shirt go there? Oh, there's a shirt go with the jogging pants.
This stuff can go in the garbage. I'm just going to Rainbow.
I'm a lemonade.
I'm going to go to Rainbows and buy plenty of white shirts because these is not worth saving or not worth washing. This too, this can go in the garbage.
Well, I was coming on to show you what I was eating for my lunch today. Was my Wingstop chicken strips and cheese fries. That's pretty good. Good. I'm giving myself a break cooking. But I'm finna start back this weekend. Gotta believe it. You know. That go with the jogging pants, I think. What you know about love?
Superman socks. I love these socks. These socks I got on. Superman. Black leggings.
I'm full now. I'm just probably just gonna eat some snacks for the rest of the day. But I do not want nothing else.
These socks dirty.
Bow, 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 bow.
Look,
I'm
I got a
bored.
freaking brush right here.
Got a brush.
Yeah. Almost done. I got a lot of black stuff. I'm quick to throw on some black. Quick.
Just like your daddy. Throw some black on in a minute. He don't play. But peace out, y'all. God bless.